Hello, my name is Jacob Bridges, and I am a member of Code the Dreams 2026 cohort for the Intro 26.2 cohort. This is my final project for the Intro course. This is my portfolio. This is the full width and length of the page. This is my profile picture, kind of like the different layouts that we did throughout the lessons, including my experience, skills, and projects. And over here is where you can connect with me. This will open up a link to my GitHub repository, and then this here will open up a link to my LinkedIn. And if I publish this for looking for jobs and someone wanted to reach out, they could leave a message here. We can just use my name and email as a test, and we can, just leave a quick message. And then here on the bottom is where the message will appear. And so here, if someone reached out, I could click on this hyperlink right here, and this will open up Outlook, and I will be able to message that person via email directly to respond to them. So moving on, this is the navigation menu. So you can click here for about, experience, my skill section, projects that I'm working on, and to connect and then message me as well. Uh, Moving on to the Star Wars API. So this is the second part of the project that we were working on. So this is the full width and length of this page. And then just to demonstrate that I can return back to the resume with the link, you can do that here and come back here. So what my project does is that it will take all six of the endpoints that are available for this API. And when you click on any of the tabs here below the main navigation menu, it will produce a random response where you can learn more about the different aspects of the Star Wars universe. So if you wanted to learn more about the films, it will give you a random episode number, and it will show you some basic information about the films. Just to demonstrate that it is random. It'll go from 1 to 4 to 5, sometimes multiples, but it'll come back. It'll be random. And then for people, it'll be the same thing. Uh, so here we have Boba Fett, and you can learn more about, just more information about them. And then you can do the same with the subsequent endpoints as well for planets, species, and the starships and vehicles as well. So it takes a total record based off of the total number of records that are for each endpoint, and it just produces a random ID for the response. So that is my final portion of the project. So I will navigate back to my resume as soon as I can showcase that the vehicle endpoint can load, and great. Two things. So one thing for challenging overall for the project was really just the styling and the structure was a little bit of a challenge. So even just getting up to this point was pretty challenging for me because I have more experience with Python and not really as much experience with CSS, and so understanding the structure here and understanding the DOM was a little bit of a challenge. But I think that I was able to, just overcome that through just with the consistent styling here, and then just the way that everything is structured. So what I really enjoyed about working on the project was really just the Star Wars API. So I was able to get a little bit creative with how I was able to get a random endpoint because I thought that would be super fun. And I was able to take a look at what you get back in that response to see what could help me produce a random integer. So that is it for my project. So thank you very much. And if you heard my cat, that's Queen Snowbear. She has to be in every part of my life. So thank you very much for sticking through this on the project, and I'm looking forward to the next session in July.